Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear stabilizer bushing on 2010 Honda Pilot. So before I get started, I want to show you the part number for the bushing. The part number in here is a 5230-SZA-A01. Okay, on a bushing on this car, on the back they are the same part number, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so let me open it, and the tool we need only the number 14mm and a ratchet 3/8 and a number 14 bolt here on the bottom one and on the top one. So before we started, I'm gonna use a W40 to spray it on the bolt. Make sure it's easy to lose it. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So when I do only one side, okay, for the replacing the bushing, because the other side they are the same setup. So if you get one side done, the other side gonna be done also, so gonna be easy. So I just do one side to make the short video for you guys can see it and follow it. But if you lose the stabilizer link both sides, it's very easy to put the new one back in. Install is gonna be easy because you get more space on it. So do one side, by the time it should be fine also. Okay, one bolts out, and the other side. Moist, hard to remove. And after this, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the rear stabilizer link too, but I'm gonna do in an individual video because it's short, it's easy for me to post it. Okay, so it's out and remove the brackets. You got room. You got plenty of room. I think we need to remove both, but not really. Just one. See it? Let me show you the new one and the old one look like. See it? This one like they get more space. So when you hit the park hole or something, you're gonna hear the noise. Okay, so let's reinstall it. Install the one. Let's put in here. And the bracket. And let me spray the W40 a little bit. And reinstall the bolt. You know, I try to make the video like simple, you know, like most hard job I never do the video because it's too much, you know, for you guys to follow it. And on some job you cannot do it at home, you need to bring the car to the mechanic. So try to make the video simple video for you guys can try it at home. Tight, yeah. The rear stabilizer link on this car is a very hard one, I think, because New England, you know, like so rusted, like everything. It's very hard for the mechanic in some point. It's almost done, guys. And right now I'm working on the driver side bushing, and if you do on the passenger side bushing, they are the same, okay, the same setup. You don't need to worry, oh, okay, oh, why you do only one side and you don't do other side, because they are the same setup. So why do we need to waste time and record the video the same job, you know? You get one done and the other one can be done also. That's all. Okay, so perfect. Let me double check it, make sure it tight. Okay, so this one is all set right now. So that's all, guys. Is how to remove and install the rear bushing for 010 Honda Pilot. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any question, just let me know, and thank you.